Here first. If you lose the network, first check the device. Turn off your home Wi-Fi. Turn it off for about 20 seconds. Then turn it back on. This Wi-Fi must have a green light. All of them have lights red. Then it is losing network, losing internet. Here you guys also check. This is a desktop. Then you have to check if it is plugged in. For that laptop, then I'll try it, let you know. It will have a button with this Wi-Fi signal. Well, everyone will click on it. Children click on it will be lost. There is a Wi-Fi image depending on the device. On my laptop it is there. I have turned it off N. And when you turn it back on, you also use the FN key. That Wi-Fi icon, you press it again. There, I turned it on. Then, turn on, off, Wi-Fi. Some machines will have it right around this machine. Or some machines, the Wi-Fi is broken. Then, here you guys, look at this. It's like the chip head of a mouse. But it's also a USB Wi-Fi, so you guys should also unplug it and plug it back in. That's one way. Now another way. And this internet. Here you guys look. I adjust, and I adjust here. You click on Network Internet. There, then select the button Reset Now. Then you press Yes, then the system will report. 15 more minutes. 5 more minutes. Then you just wait patiently and do nothing else. Let it restart. It will reset the network settings then when that. If it's due to an installation error, it will go away by itself. Then you wait. You just leave it alone. It says 2 minutes left. After 2 minutes, it will say again, to let it restart the machine. After restarting the machine, you will check internet again. This way is very effective. Next is a way to prepare the third. There you go, to Device Manager. There you go on laptop, then you go to Network Adapter. There, and you will choose the one. Disable it. Then you will say yes, then you will say again. Right-click on it. Then you will restart your computer. Here I am testing, so I can't start it. On laptop, you can also enter like that. Then you will select the word. The one that has Wi-Fi. There. Remember, that is the one that has the word Wi-Fi. There is another way more. Here. There you go to Microsoft Edge. There you click. That VPS, you guys go remove it. Remove all, go. If there's anything you guys have in front of you, just know what it is. Then you can leave it through. If you don't know, then you also restart your computer. Then you do like this to open. Here, if your computer, if you have it, then that's it. And select Network and Internet. Select View, Network, Status, and Tasks. If you see that your computer has more, then you will turn them off, one by one. Disable is off and enable is on. You guys just turn them off, one by one, and then you guys see if it works. You guys go back to the control panel for you to find which application. That it says Hotspot Shield, then uninstall it. You guys remove it. Because this application sometimes has errors. I see that many of you, unfortunately, installed this software. Then you restart your computer and check. One step more. There you go, here. Above, turn it off like me. Enter the IP6 again. Here, if it's down here, it has a lot of numbers. To turn it all off. Then you try again. This way. Do this way. Download the driver on the homepage. About motherboard of my computer. Then you go to Google to search. Download from the internet to install. In this case, because, but for some machines, but when I didn't have internet, when I installed but I didn't have internet, it might not be. You enter the correct main code and the Kia version. You enter it correctly, because if it is wrong, then my main is VR2, then I will choose You choose my Windows 11 version is Win 11. This is the 64-bit version. I will choose. If on desktop, you choose Finland. LAN is wired network. After downloading, you unzip and install. You wait for it to finish installing. Check. For laptops, called the wireless driver. For example, I'm looking for 16 this. Check it out. Wireless. I'm not looking for LAN, but wireless. Here, Wi-Fi here. If it's wireless, then we wired network. Find that Wi-Fi and download it. And after downloading, you also install. Then, you restart your computer. Then you install it like normal. Here, I'm using a desktop. So I just downloaded this to try. I can't install it. Here. Here. Here you go here. You reset it to default for me, okay? You guys just all back to default. Give me this. Choose yes. All of the items you guys just see is the word reset, then you guys will click all of it for me. Just reset everything for me. If you see something that is correct, delete it. Same in this part. Restore. Then OK, then restart your computer. And finally, it doesn't work. Here to check if it works, then you will type the line and CMD type the line. If it shows like this, it doesn't show the IP address means the network hasn't OK. This disconnected media is not OK. That's it, and if it has an IP address, then it means OK. Now OK. I'll type ipconfig. That's it. If it has an IP address like T, means the machine has. Then you just need to restart the tray. Restart the computer and access the network normally. Here is one last step. You will reset machine. You go to System, you will, what we have on this machine. Here. And to proceed action. Reset default settings on the machine. Installed. Then you should choose that line, and then you wait. Come here, you also choose this item. Is the possibility will be. Then. There, this part too.